artwork can be approved and still leave an acrylic badge order exposed to costly mistakes. The image may look complete, while thickness, cut line, transparent areas, attachment, packaging, and intended use remain undefined. If those decisions are left to interpretation, the result may be visually correct but unsuitable for distribution, difficult to sort, vulnerable to scratches, or late for the event it was designed to support. Quality control, therefore, begins before production and before the deposit is paid. The first stage is to convert the creative concept into a complete purchase specification. That means documenting the intended use, dimensions, thickness, shape, surface treatment, artwork status, attachment, packaging, quantity, and delivery context. A badge intended for apparel may require a different attachment from an item carried on a bag or used as a keychain. Every option should connect to an actual handling and distribution plan. Stage 2 is artwork and file review. The production file must clearly identify the cut line, transparent and opaque regions, fine lines, small type, color references, and layer order. Vector formats provide a more reliable manufacturing basis than compressed images. When a raster image must be redrawn, that redraw should be approved before sampling. A revision log is equally important, preventing an earlier design from being reintroduced after later changes have been accepted. Stage 3 is physical sample approval. A screen proof cannot demonstrate edge smoothness, acrylic clarity, glitter distribution, print registration, surface condition, or the force needed to operate a clasp. The sample should be examined under ordinary lighting and in its actual packaging orientation. Inspect thickness, transparency, alignment, attachment strength, and packaging fit. For products distributed at concerts, conventions, or trade shows, test how quickly recipients can open, attach, and carry them. Sampling is a production control point, not a ceremonial sign-off. Stage 4 establishes pre-production evidence. Keep the approved artwork, dated sample images, comments, specifications, and approval date in one purchase record. For orders with multiple sizes, designs, or finishes, assign a distinct identifier to every variant. Pre-production photos should show the approved reference, production setup, and packaging plan. This creates a traceable connection between what was authorized and what the warehouse ultimately receives. Stage 5 monitors mass production repeatability. Inspection should cover dimensional consistency, color consistency between batches, print registration, coating uniformity, attachment installation, and the separation of defective pieces. Broad claims of complete inspection have limited value unless the buyer knows what is checked, how defects are classified, and what remedy applies. Critical, major, and cosmetic defects should have predictable responses, such as replacement, credit, rework, or an agreed future order adjustment. Stage 6 covers packaging and shipment. Acrylic surfaces and edges can be damaged by contact, pressure, or loose metal components. Packaging must account for surface protection, attachment movement, moisture exposure, carton compression, SKU labeling, sorting, and retail presentation. Basic bags, paper cards, blister packs, and gift boxes serve different operational needs. The correct choice depends on what happens after arrival. Compliance evidence requires the same discipline. A certificate name alone does not prove that a specific badge is suitable for a particular market. Confirm the tested product, material, color or coating, laboratory, test date, intended market, and applicable limits. Requirements may differ between an adult collectible, a trade show giveaway, and a product marketed to children. Finally, plan backward from the launch, event, or retail handoff. Allow time for artwork review, sample shipping, approval, production, inspection, packing, customs, and local delivery. The strongest supplier is not simply the one offering the lowest unit price. It is the one that makes risk visible through clear specifications, documented approvals, production evidence, protective packaging, and a written delivery plan.